In this video, we are going to delve deeper into something extremely exciting. And if you like the idea of 10 to 100x in your money, this video is absolutely for you because we're going to talk about the heavily anticipated Tokenomics project today as the launch is literally just round the corner. I want to talk about why this can realistically 10x your money, and a lot has happened since we last did a review on this token. So you've all asked for it. It's time for an update. Meme coins have gone crazy. The meme coin space is still at $48.2 billion, but this is where you get your GameFi token. This is where you get your big altcoin, your next best sort of play to earn potential. Think like Axie Infinity, Sandbox, DeFi Kingdoms back in the day. This one here is set to rip, and I'm very, very excited. If you want to potentially make some massive gains out here, guys, I'm talking astronomical gains. Well, let's just freaking crack on. So you might remember, like, in your teens, if you're a 90s baby especially, playing a game a bit like Pokemon. Now this absolutely gives me that blast to the past, and I just want to talk about it because so much has happened since. And the first major thing that happened since, this is Tokenomics adventure, battle, and evolve in the ultimate play to earn metaverse. Now what makes this absolutely insane is, firstly, we know bull market money is here. Secondly, they just recently doxed and KYC'd. We can see these two fantastic guys, pushing the buttons in the back end, and it says, look, the Tokenomics founders are now fully doxed. So this is completely new, fresh information. And just think about it, guys. A doxed and KYC project means you can't do anything malicious, you can't run away, you can't do anything mischievous. And it just gives you that level of integrity, that transparency, that trust between the end user and the creators of the product. So that's exactly what we're seeing here. You've got Lukey, Apple's over here, aka Kanto, being co-CEO. These are the two legends here, the crypto chads. I'm not going to call them crypto chads. They look like great guys. I mean, look at them. We've also got aka Brock, one of the, that reminds me, of course, Pokemon Brock. And then you've got co-CEO as well. So top guys, awesome people, great team, sitting there flexing their watches, nice and shiny and all. But guys, they've got the talent, they've got the intelligence, they've got the resources to potentially make this coin go absolutely wild. So this is good news. This is a real boost of confidence out there. And Orbit Cosmos is where the Web 2 and Web 3 magic happens. They are backing the Tokenomics project, and this is, basically the guys that own it completely. If it wasn't for them, none of this would be happening. So what happened is the pre-sale sold out in rapid time. They've raised $6 million. And interestingly, this coin will launch at a market capital of around $10 million. 10 million. Let me just think about that, because if you think about it, coins like Axie Infinity are sitting at way over $1 billion already, with a massive token dilution because of the crazy supply. We have not seen that yet. We're never going to see that with Tokenomics for a long time because it's not launched yet. It's not yet explored those psychology level stages of a market cycle. I'm sure you've seen this sheet before, but just look at the price structure. It launched, it went parabolic. Look at Sandbox. It launched, it went parabolic. Look at the market capital start. You're looking at low sort of 10s, 20s. Axie Infinity, look at the market capital beginning, 10s. Literally $8 million. Then it went into euphoria, greed, hype. It ripped massively. And you can see how closely this follows this particular chart. But the reason these two coins are failing now is their tokenomical structure. The token dilution, the increase of supply that decreases the value of each unit of each token. Effectively, you're going to get back to a market capital all-time high, possibly, but the price will never be the same again. Tokenomics, we don't have that problem right here. So we can see they raised $6 million, $10 million, 10x will go to 100 million. If it does 100x, guys, it's going to go to $1 billion market capital. Now, this is, of course, partnered with Kawaru Games. If you know games like Fortnite, they help produce and develop this game. And that's why it looks so absolutely sharp. That's why characters look so amazing. You can see the nice animation, great rendering, beautiful anti-aliasing, good colors. Just looks overall sharp, smooth FPS, and it just looks good. Even kind of got like League of Legends sort of character vibes, like the little like minion things that like try to kill you. I can't remember, lol, I haven't played that for so long, but you can just see sharp animations, looks really good. So for a play to earner, for a DeFi lover, this ecosystem is extremely attractive already, and this is just before the launch, so it does look good. If you're someone that is, moving over to Web3 to do your gaming, where you can also earn crypto and rewards, this could be the perfect place to do so. Pikamoon, 6 elemental regions in one open world metaverse. So yeah, this being a big AI sort of metaverse thing as well. It says battle multi-regional arcade strategy. Just looking at this, it looks like it's going to be a turn-based game, and I guess they'll expand much more. But you can see here, look, they're having a big fight. Turn-based, you've got different rewards, you've got different items, attributes, stats, and overall it just looks like a game that is actually seriously going to shine. You can actually get playing this if you wanted to. You can play the beta today. If you hit that play now button, you can play it on Google Play or download it on the App Store. Check it out today, ladies and gents. Have a little look at it, because it's a real thing. The play to earn space is a massive industry, and it's going to keep on flourishing and growing. What else they've got is some character NFTs. In Pikamoon, each NFT card embodies one of 6 elemental forces, offering unique abilities and strengths that shape your strategy and gameplay in the dynamic world. So you got these different kind of elements. You got water, fire, electric, rock, air, and also earth. So you've got 6 elements overall. And it just looks absolutely amazing. The Pikaverse ecosystem is just something to really talk about. And I think over the next week, we can see some serious hype and traction for this particular coin. It's been a very, very big journey so far. But effectively, the vision here was kind of cultivated through some guys that love cryptocurrency, love blockchain, but also love gaming as well. And they wanted to create this big solution. They want to be the next big thing. Forget Axie Infinity now. Forget the sandbox. These coins are over, in my opinion. Yes, they can offer returns, but they're never going to go back, in my opinion, to their previous unit cost or price all-time highs because of the token dilution, especially with Axie Infinity. I mean, it's got to do literally a 15x to get back there. But if it did a 15x, you're going to be looking at like a market cap of $65 billion, and it only actually got to $9 billion before. So you've got to do so much more work just to get your money back. And if you bought in at the top over here back in, whatever, October 2021, you're kind of just stuck, unfortunately. You're just a little bit stuck because of the flawed tokenomics and the insane hype that came with it. So yeah, looking good, guys. 28.4k followers. This coin could actually give some massive gains, huge gains. You've got some massive people talking about it. I can just see here, looking at some of these names. Don't know this guy, but you got here, don't know this guy either. I know him. You got Matthew Perry here. Some big guys talking about this, and overall
a fully identifiable
some big hype, guys. Not long to go. Friday 22nd of March, 14:00 UTC. Pika launch on 3 exchanges. So that means big volume, big liquidity, big potential pump. We're going to potentially see it, and just look at that. It's just like nostalgia. It looks like Pikachu! So yeah, I just think this looks absolutely insane. 3 exchanges are coming. That's no lie. That's really bullish. And it says here, you can claim your tokens, your Pika tokens, on the launch day. The vesting schedule will begin from the 22nd of March. So Pikamoon is the next huge thing. If you want to be talking about Pikamoon, get yourself into the Jacob Crypobury channel, where we've got Pikamoon here, and everyone is talking about it. I guess a lot of hype will conjure soon, but overall, talk about Pikamoon down below. Join the Jacob's Crypto clan. I think this can do really well. You can see here as well, the exchanges will be officially announced when we get 10,000 Telegram members, or on the 21st of March, which is basically tomorrow, day before launch. I haven't actually checked their TG overall, so I don't know if they have been announced. It doesn't look like they have been so far, but this is big, guys. So watch your space, stay in the know, check out the project down below. Big exchanges will be launching soon. Might even be MEXC as well. So if you want to sign up to MEXC based on that, I've also got a link right down below for you. But this is really cool. They're doing podcasts, they're transparent and fully doxed and KYC'd, and that is, when it comes to like a play to earn token or a meme coin or like a pre-sale or ICO, having that doxed KYC'd flair to it really just augments all the confidence and is absolutely game changing. So fingers crossed we're going to see some 10 to 100x sort of movement here. I really think 5x, I'm going to be honest with you, is a seriously pragmatic target here. 10 mil to 50 million in these current markets with the Bitcoin halving around the corner. I think a 5x is seriously realistic, but of course, I'm just a crypto Chad that sits here making videos for you guys so you can digest and, you know, you can make your own decisions based on the information that you see. So it's not financial advice, and make sure you become a patron. Check us out, over 500 members now. Thank you so much for the support. The link is right down below. If you want to unlock more insights to big gems like Pika Moon before they do sell out, get in early before the herd, get that best price entry, the link is down below for the Patreon. Everybody, Pika Moon is also down below. Thank you for watching this video. Stay crypto safe, stay in the know, hit the subscribe button if you want to find out more about Pika Moon and other cool things, and fingers crossed this will do really, really well. Peace.